Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by PFRDA for recruitment of Officers Grade A Assistant Manager 2022. So let's start the video. Friends, PFRDA has already released a notification on 9th September for Officers Grade A Assistant Manager vacancies for different fields. So here the online application is already started from 15th September 2022 and it will go till 7th October 2022, and your phase 1 online examination and phase 2 online examination details and interview details will be intimated by them on their websites. Now let's discuss the various vacancies for this notification is released. So if you see at first serial only, here vacancies are for assistant manager general stream. Total number of vacancies are 15, out of which 4 are for unreserved category candidates and rest are for reserved category candidate. Here the education qualification asked is either a master's degree in any discipline or bachelor's degree in law or bachelor's degree in engineering from a recognized university, or you can be a chartered accountant, company secretary, cost management accountant, or a CFA, provided you are having either associate or fellow membership of this institute, then only you are eligible to apply. Now if you see at the second vacancy, it is for assistant manager finance and accounts. Here the total number of posts are 2 and out of which both are for unreserved category. So all people can apply for this, including the reserved category candidate, but they will be considered as unreserved for this finance and account post. So here the education qualification asked is graduation degree from a recognized university. Here they have mentioned graduation, so BA, BCom, BSc all are eligible to apply, and apart from graduation you need to have associate or fellow membership of either a chartered accountant institute, company secretary institute, or cost management institute or CFA, then only you are eligible to apply. Like this there are other vacancies also, but we will focus our attention for general stream and for finance and account vacancy only. And they have mentioned that candidates are expected to be computer literate and well versed with MS Office. And please note, candidates are permitted to apply for maximum of 2 streams only, provided you are meeting the eligibility and education qualification criteria. So you can apply for both journal stream as well as finance and accounts if you wish to, providing you are having enough education qualification. Friends, here the age limit asked is as on 31st July 2022. So by this date you should be 30 years or less as on 31st July. That is, a candidate should have been born on or after 1st August 1992, then only you are eligible to apply. So do keep this in mind. If your birthday is on or after 1st August 1992, then you are eligible to apply. Then there is a age relaxations for various reserved category candidates. You can go through them in detail. Now mode of selection, very important. So friends, for this journal stream as well as for finance and accounts, your mode of selection will be 3-stage process. Here phase 1 you will have online screening examination of 100 marks, then your phase 2 examination followed by your phase 3 interview round. They have mentioned the pattern for phase 1 online examination. So here you will get 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Your paper 1 will be of 100 marks, in which the questions from English, quantitative reasoning, aptitude, general awareness questions will be asked. 20 questions from each area and maximum marks is 25 marks. So like this 100 marks will be allocated and you will get 60 minutes to answer this question. And then in the same sitting you will also have to attend the paper 2. Paper 2 will consist of your journal stream. Here you will get multiple choice questions from commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies act, economics, pension sector, etc. So if you are applying for journal stream, then you will be asked questions from this stream, and if you are applying for finance and accounts, MCQ questions will be from specialized subject, that is your technical syllabus only. And here again the total marks is 100 and number of questions will be asked 50, and you will be allocated 40 minutes to answer this paper. So friends, the good news is we at Finance MCQ are providing the practice course for this journal stream paper 2. Here you can visit the Finance MCQ website, check this course that is available for PFRDA journal stream paper 2 preparation. It will be applicable for both your phase 1 as well as phase 2 of your preparation. And please note that there will be negative marking of 1/4 for paper 1 and paper 2 in phase 1. So there will be negative marking and you need to secure separate cutoff in each paper of both phase 1 and and to qualify for phase 2. So paper 1 plus paper 2 separate cutoff you need to qualify. And friends, they have mentioned that marks obtained in phase 1 will be used only for shortlisting for phase 2 and will not be counted for final selection. So it's just your preliminary screening process test only. Then candidate qualified will be intimated for phase 2 examination by email. Now the pattern for phase 2 online examination, again it will have two papers, 100 marks each. So for paper 1 is common for all stream, that is English descriptive paper. Here the maximum marks will be 100, number of questions will be 3 and you will get 60 minutes to answer them. And paper 2 for journal stream is same which is there in phase 1. So all topics and subjects are same which is there in phase 1 and maximum marks will be 100. You will be given 50 questions to answer and duration will be 40 minutes. And again friend, there will be negative marking of 1/4 for paper 2 in phase 2. So in paper 1, that is your English descriptive, there will not be any negative marking, and you need to secure separate cutoff in each paper as well as the aggregate cutoff in phase 2 for shortlisted for interview round, then only you are eligible. And what will be the aggregate cutoff etc will be decided by authority based on the number of vacancies. And they have mentioned specifically that your paper 1, that is English descriptive, will only be evaluated if you obtain minimum qualifying marks in paper 2. So your paper 2, that is your technical syllabus, is very much important for your this examination, since it will decide whether your paper 1 will be tested or not. So do prepare very well for this paper 2, and we at Finance MCQ are there to help you in this preparation of paper 2. We have provided the course. Kindly visit the Finance MCQ website and check the PFRDA course for paper 2 exam. Then your third phase will be interview. Friends, they have mentioned that marks obtained in phase 2 online examination will have a weightage of 85%, while your interview will have weightage of 15%, and based on that final merit list will be prepared. Now your pay allowances etc. The first one is the successful candidate will be on probation for a period of 1 year, and your remuneration, you will be in pay scale of 44,500 to 89,150. that is your pay scale. And apart from that you will get all the perks and perquisites of PFRDA, and like by adding up all benefits you will get a approx per month salary of 1,40,000. It's a gross salary that you will get. So it's really a very good opportunity for everyone who wants to apply for this prestigious job. And they have specifically mentioned what the benefits you will get, like leave, fare allowance, concession, medical expenses, and all benefits etc as provided by PFRDA. And apart from that you will also receive qualification allowance. So if you are a fellow of Actuarial Institute, then you will get 80,000 per month as an additional allowance. And if you have pass or exemption in all 7 core principal subjects, then 15,000 will be provided. And if you are associate member of CA or CMA Institute, then you will be paid rupees 3,500. So this is really a good thing that they are providing over and above allowance to professionals. And you can be transferred to any location in India. Examination center, your phase 1 examination center will cover all the zones, so you can check all the exam center in detail. I will provide the notification link in the description. So like this, again same online examination center for phase 2 are also mentioned. You can check them. Application fee. So friends, the application for unreserved category candidate have to pay rupees 1,000, and for SC ST PWD women candidate nil application fee is there. How to apply? You have to apply through online mode by visiting the website of the company, and online application are already started, and the last day is 7th October 2022. So by this date you have to apply to the PFRDA for officers grade A assistant manager examination. So rest are general terms and conditions. Friends, you can check them in detail. So I really feel that the candidate who wants to have a good government job, then they should definitely apply for this, since the pay is very high. It's a reputed and regulatory job. You will get a lot of exposure working in it, and even my all graduate friends along with the higher qualification can apply for this post. So do apply for it if you like this vacancy, and also share with your friends whom you feel that this vacancy might be useful. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.